some moments ago, you suggested that Victoria had speciously and wrongly telephoned social services. Is that correct?
Yes, she did.
What evidence do you have for that, and tell me what happened?
They said that someone anonymous phoned up and put a claim against me saying that I was abusive to my son.
I'll ask you this, Victoria. It's a very, very important question.
Yes, Judge.
Did you telephone social services to report Sarah?
Yes, I did, Judge.
At that time, is that the first time that that has been confirmed to you? Is that the first time that's been confirmed?
Properly, yes.
Fine. During that time, when you were living in her house and paying some rent towards living there, there was a child in the house, correct?
Yes, Judge.
During that period, did you telephone and report her to social services, yes or no?
No, Judge.
This is the first time. On or around the time that she has an outstanding debt to you, correct?
Yes, Judge.
What do you say was the most important example of her neglect?
The amount of times that she would sort of lie down and have a nap on the sofa and let him run around to do what he wants, and he's...
OK, I'd like to say...
I'm going to let you answer. Nap, carry on, yes?
And numerous times he's gone to climb over the baby gate and fallen and hit his head on the tiled floor.
I wasn't napping when he went over the gate, for a start. The reason why I nap, I've got endometriosis, which affects my hormones. And I get extremely tired all the time. I live with unbearable cramps daily. Which she knows. And I'm always going to hospital for it.
Has your child... When was the last time your child saw a health professional? Must be...
That was last week.
Fairly recent. Has there been any cause whatsoever for any concern about his or her?
His.
About his weight or development or anything of that kind?
No.
Thank you very much. Sarah, I'm going to ask you a question now. Are there any proceedings that you would like to bring in this matter in response to Victoria's claim for this debt? Are you a little bit hurt?
I am. I'm very hurt.
Very good. How would you value your hurt, Sarah? I'll help you. Let me help you. Victoria,
Yes, Judge.
you had a legally enforceable contract with your sister Sarah. Sarah today comes supported by Charlotte, who has given a very clear and I have to say very eloquent statement. And not just that, but she did her best in the material she provided me to be fair to both sides, including you. Charlotte gives a clear account of the role that Sarah played in your life and the quality of your relationship in the past. Nevertheless, in law it's very difficult because here's the thing. Most of the time, when there are agreements between sisters, you don't have a legally enforceable contract. However, bearing in mind what the money meant to you, plus the fact that Sarah entered into an agreement with you to pay the money back, you clearly had a legally enforceable arrangement. So you are entitled in law to £550. And that would ordinarily be the award of this court. However, during the course of these proceedings, I am entirely satisfied, bearing in mind the timing and the circumstances of the allegation that you made to social services, who are underpaid and extremely overworked, and where specious claims put children at risk. That the allegation that you made against Sarah was born entirely out of malice and as a result of the debt that she had. That explains the timing. If that were not the case, bearing in mind your concerns, you would have made that allegation many, many months before you actually made it. In the circumstances, therefore, it seems to me, based upon what I'm satisfied by, that allegation is specious and that has a value, and I think that value is £1,000, which is what I award you, Sarah. and I take it off the value of the £550 that you owe. So, this court awards you, Sarah, £450 and wishes you all the best. If you enjoyed that video, then I strongly suggest clicking here for more highlights. For those of you who haven't subscribed yet, and why not, so that you never miss out, subscribe. Clicking down there, that's an order.